I'm 41 years old and this is my Tretinoin skincare routine. And please keep in mind that everybody's skin is different. Mine is not as sensitive as others may be. So what I like to do is every few days, I do like to use my Medicube Zero Pore Pads. This does have AHA, BHA, and panthenol in it, which means that it can dry your skin and be an extra exfoliant. So I don't recommend using this if you have sensitive skin. And if you don't have sensitive skin, I also don't recommend using this every single day. Actually, when I apply this as my base before my Tretinoin, it helps it go on more smoothly. And I think it's because my face is a little bit damp after applying this. It does not dry out my skin. And listen, if your skin can tolerate using this every day, use it every day. There's nothing wrong with that, okay? An esthetician will tell you that as well. If your skin is very sensitive, obviously you're gonna start using this every couple days, maybe 3 times a week, and then kind of gradually build up to maybe your nighttime routine. And you are gonna use a pea-size amount. Trust me, a pea-size amount is plenty. It's all you need. And I like to just do dots everywhere. So on top of that, I'm going to put my Medicube PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. And it has hydrating components in it, so it's very soothing. Now at nighttime, I do use the Medicube Vitamin C Capsule Cream. Some people can find vitamin C a little irritating because vitamin C is acidic. Me, again, I don't have any issues with this cream, and I tend to put it on top of this at nighttime because this thing is so moisturizing. When I wake up in the morning, my skin is just refreshed and glowing. If vitamin C does irritate your skin, I recommend using vitamin C in the daytime and using your Tretinoin at night. Now, what I will use during the day on top of this peptide serum is my facial moisturizing lotion by CeraVe. This has SPF in it as well. As you know, having Tretinoin on your skin causes sun sensitivity, so this is really good as a barrier to protect your skin during the day. And another product you can use for daily moisturizer is La Roche-Posay, the Daily Moisturizer. This is great for oily skin and enlarged pores, but it's a great barrier to put on top of your skin because it helps with skin irritation and dryness. But that's it. That's my Tretinoin skincare routine. And let me know if you guys have tried any of these products and what works for you.